Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Magical Maiden, and today I have an unboxing or review of some products from Panda Hall Selected. So before I get started with that, I want to let you know to look below this video in the description box for the link to all these items you will be seeing today, as well as the link to the discount code. All of Panda Hall Selected social media links will also be below. So please remember to do that. And I'll remind you again towards the end of the video. But also what I wanted to do was take you to Panda Hall Selected online site and show you around a little bit for those of you who aren't familiar with Panda Hall Selected. And then right after that, we'll begin with the unboxing and review. So let's get started. Panda Hall Selected is an easy to navigate site. It has a wonderful large array of jewelry supplies of very good quality and very low prices. Once you get to the site, it's very easy to navigate. You have the bar up top that you can navigate and click the arrow, and you can also just click Shop Now. You can also go to your featured products and click whatever item catches your eye, as well as you can go down to the trending and click the arrows and scroll past what may catch your eye in those. Also, you can just simply pick from a recommended brand. Simply put your mouse over and click to check them out, or scroll down until you get to the section where it says more and click, and it will take you to the next page. Another way to navigate would simply be go to the search bar and type in what you're looking for. At the bottom it saves your history, so you can easily click those if you need to search for them again. Also, it's easy to register. It's free to have an account, and you can use your Facebook or Twitter to sign in with, or if you're a new customer, you just click join for free and create an account. You can also get a wish list going, and it's easy from your wish list to add things to your cart. Clicked on my wish list, and I have quite a few items that I've saved in there, and it would look like this, and then to the bottom you just click each individual item, and then it will just come up like that. So when you're ready to order one of your wish list items, you simply click add to cart, and then it will take you there. If you no longer desire this item, just click delete, and it will take it off your wish list. So please check out Panda Hall Selected and create your account today for wonderful low price, good quality products and a large array to choose from. Please remember to look below my video in the description box for the link for Panda Hall Selected, as well as discount code. So when you're ready to shop, go ahead and take that discount code with you and order. And also the links will be below for the items that I'm showing you in this video. So be sure when you're done watching this video that you go below in the description box and click all the links, and remember your discount coupon code. Okay, so now that you've seen the Panda Hall Selected site and how it works and the things that they have for you, I'm going to go through some of the things that I have here for you. I ordered 3 products, and I haven't opened any of them. So let's see, I have to get my scissors out, but let me open this. I took them out of their main package. Okay, so the first item, and like I said, I just got this in the mail, and I haven't even seen one of these yet. So I'm opening and seeing them the first time with you today. Right here and right now. Okay, so here we have 3 of these, and I'm going to get these out of the way. Now they stand up, but I'll have to lay them down for you to get a good look. What these are earring hooks, okay? And you'd stand them up and then you hang your earrings. So you see there's two holes here and on the other side. And these are like a brass. And is this a cute way to display your earrings? Right after you make them, if you make them and you want to take photos or you want to take a video of them, as I do all the time, I can easily use these and then show them off nicely with these stands. Not to mention, even if you don't do that, you can display your earrings that you create or your earrings that you purchase or got as gifts on these, on your vanity, on your dresser, in your bathroom, wherever you want to display them. So you get 6 of them in this set. I need my scissors. You get 6. 3 of this kind of copper brass color. And then 3 of these black ones. So I'm going to review them with you right now, what I think of these. So they appear to be of good quality. They're very sturdy. Nothing's loose. They're made well. I see on the bottom it has like a screw. And I love these. I love that you get 6 of them and that you get 2 different colors in the set. I wanted to show you they come in 3 different sizes. Each color, each one of these, both this color as well as the black, they come in a tall, a medium, and then a small. So you have an option to choose from so if you have really long earrings, you can use the taller one, and if you have medium earrings, and so it really gives you an option to choose which ones you want to display, and it would look really pretty on your vanity with the different sizes, or on your shelf, or on your dresser. And this is also great to give as a gift, even if you're not going to use it for yourself. If you know somebody that makes a lot of jewelry, creates a lot of earrings, or that just loves earrings and has a large collection, you can go ahead and give them this set of 6 different earring hooks. So this is going to look really nice when I have my earrings displayed. I'm going to probably put maybe one of this on my vanity to display my favorite, most used earrings. But when I do videos in the future, my jewelry tutorials, I'm going to display the earrings that I created. So I just wanted to show you these. These are very nice, and as I'm looking at them, they're not bendable. There's nothing wrong with them. All of them look in great shape. They're very nice, and like I said, they appear to be of good quality, and I'm very happy with them. For my next one, I have these. Now I'm going to need my scissors because it comes in a box like this, wrapped in cellophane. So you slide it out of the box, and it comes in a nice hard plastic case like this, which I love these cases. Oh, and this is so cute. Look at this. These are earrings, and they come with these little tiny glass cabochons. I love that. Okay, and they're all different kinds, and it comes with earring hooks. I didn't even know that it comes with these fishhook earring hooks, so that's great. I love that, which works because it gives you the colors that you need in case you didn't have brass. Okay, let's see. Oh, and there's different types. So I'm going to lay these out, and then you'll be able to take a look at them. So this is what you get. You not only get the earring hooks for both the brass and the silver, but you get 6 of each. So these on the bottom over here are the same ones. You get 6 of them, 6 of these, 6 of those, and 6 of the others. So I really love that. So that's really great. 6 of each set of earrings. And it's going to really look nice because I have these. So I can hang like the silver ones on the black and the brass ones over here. This is really, really nice. I love these. Look at them, and look at the cute little cabochons, the glass cabochons that come with them. So now I've opened these up, but for time's sake, I looked at them. They're not scratched. They're in good shape. And these are really of good quality. They're not bendy and nothing's wrong with them. They look very, very nice. Oh, I love these. Just look at them. Oh, I love these. I'm going to make some cute Victorian pieces with the rose. So you get one of each. You get the rose ones in the brass, the rose ones in the silver, and there's 6 of each one of these. Look at that. And that's the back, okay? And then you got the matching glass cabochons for each one of these. And this. Now what I wanted to let you know is you want to make sure you subscribed and you click the notification bell so that you are notified when I upload my newest content. And the reason is because I'm going to be doing some jewelry tutorials using these earrings and then also having these in here. And that's the reason why I got these, because when I make beautiful earrings with these items, I'm going to hang them over here for you to see. I really love this. Look how pretty they are. I love that. Yeah, I love both of these sets. I really like that they come in this nice hard plastic case that you can reuse. I've gotten a few of these before from Pandahole Selected. Certain things came in this case and I saved them. I put a lot of different things in them and I love it. So yeah, that's good. All right, so now for my final product, I'm going to open this up. Let's get the plastic off of it. Like I said, it has some cellophane wrap around the box. So you're going to have to remove that. And then we're going to get to the box. Okay. So it's going to come in another one of these. After you take the cellophane off in the box, and then they're easy to open. And what these are cabochon glass. These are glass cabochon rings. Oh, look at that. These are pretty. And they're all the same, but they're adjustable. Okay, so I'm going to put one on my finger. They are adjustable, so I'm going to have to open it a little bit. Glass cabochons. It's going to be tricky opening this with my fingernails, but I can get it. You can do a variety of different crafts with glass cabochons. That's why I love it. They're so versatile. And if you see my jewelry tutorials in the past, I used tons of different glass cabochons. And I've had bracelets, pendants, and now I'm finally getting to have some rings and earrings. I wanted to show you that you can do a few different things, and I love this. So that's going to look nice once they're all in. You get all these to match. You get 10 of these adjustable ring blanks. Okay, and that's what it's going to look like. And then at the back it looks like this, and they're adjustable. You pull them apart. And then in the back they're going to look like this. You would pull them apart to fit. And this way it's really good because if you like to wear them on different fingers, you can just adjust for the size. I really like this. I'm going to be looking forward to doing crafts with them. Now, upon looking at them, they seem to be in good shape. Nothing seems wrong with them. They're all rather nice. I'm just making sure everything is good, nothing's wrong. They're made well, and they appear to be of good quality. Again, I never have a problem from Pandahole Selected. They always have good quality products. I love the way everything looks. And then they're all set for you to go ahead and make some glass cabochon rings. I'm happy with all the items that I received today from Panda Halls Selected. And okay, so I'm going to show you what that looks like when you're hanging a set. Just go ahead and I'm going to hang a set of earrings that I made just on one side. And there it is. This was my Panda Halls Selected unboxing and review video for today, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please give it a like, share this with anyone you know you'd be interested in, and remember to comment if you have any questions or just want to say hello. And don't forget again to look below this video in the description box for the links to these products and the coupon code and all of Panda Halls Selected social media site links. And go ahead and check the site out and get yourself some of these beautiful products and get crafting. Bye. I'll see you in my videos. Thanks for watching.